What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back here at this job. Concrete trucks should be here any minute now. It's a little bit after 9. We're kind of just hanging out, waiting, cleaning up a little bit. We got all the old concrete, well, a lot of it in the mason up already. We just got some cleanup, but everything is ready to go. So we're gonna fill all the holes in the block first, and then obviously fill the rest in. These sections are only getting the block fill and then level with about right here, tapered down so you don't have a little lip when you're pulling over.
Oh, nice.
Concrete's pulling in, so I'm gonna set the camera up and we'll get this poured.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we got this whole, I guess we'll call it a footing, poured. We have 2 doors poured. Those are pitched from the block level to nothing. So when you're crawling in here, you're not going over a lip. Same thing in that one. That's all done. Just gotta chalk a line where the anchor bolts need to go and get them in. Then we're done. Then we're gonna pull the mason dump back in the driveway and get the rest of this concrete out of here. There's a place locally that takes it, so we'll run there and dump it and then see what the rest of the day has in store. Alright guys, so I just got back to this job and all the concrete was dumped. That was super easy there, in and out in, I don't know, 5 minutes. But the guys are starting to frame here, getting their plates down. Alright guys, so we just finished up lunch and we're getting back to work. We got all the plates on. We got triple LVL beam here in the middle, just temped up on this side, sits right in the concrete over there. And we're gonna start getting all this TGI set. But I am heading out of here because our machine got dropped off this morning, and I need my stuff, and it is where we dumped all the dirt. So I'm gonna head there now and clean up all of that dirt over there. So I will see you guys when I am there.
Alright
Alright guys, so I'm in our machine working my way back here to all the dirt. You can see right down there where we kind of sunk a little bit last time we were here. It was on a warm day, so I don't know if you'll be able to see right here on the right side of the arm there's a pile of dirt that when we got stuck we decided to dump there. So I'm gonna have to spread that, but I'm gonna do that after. I'm gonna get all the way back here to where this other dirt is and spread this all out. Originally we were gonna move all the trees and stuff, but like usual things have changed, so we're just gonna spread this all out and get it kind of level. It's not gonna be close to level, it's just gonna be pitched up to a hill and all smooth rather than a bunch of different piles here. But probably gonna put the camera on a time lapse somewhere and get to work. Hi guys, so I got the machine parked over there. I tried cleaning this pile up a bit, but as you can tell it's very wet. It's creating like a mud. So I tried just riding over it and compacting it, but it didn't do too much. Up here I got this part pushed back pretty nice, and then I tried driving across this way because this whole section over here, you can probably tell, is very wet and it's just creating like a mud. And I'm pretty much making more of a mess than I was before. Granted, we're pushed way back more now, but I'm not going to keep going because I don't want to keep making this like a soup over here. So I'm either going to have to wait for the ground to freeze a bit and come and do this when I'm not sinking, or bring a tool cat here and put a bucket on it and just scoop it with the bucket. But overall, it's not terrible. We got to get this cleaned up a bit and then flattened it out a bit. So that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. Look, I'm sinking in the mud right here, but definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.